In LabKey Server 16.2, we have added two methods to customize the presentation of data views, alphabetical ordering and per item ordering. These customizations allow users more control over how they present and view their data views. Let's start off with alphabetizing. So we'll go to the study. And if you customize the data views web part, click customize here, you'll notice a new section has appeared, sort. By display order was the old display ordering. So in this case, usually it means that it was the order in which they were added, although not always. And this is a little bit arbitrary, I think, for many users. It was a little unclear about how or why this was ordered in this way. So in order to give users and admins a little bit more control over how these are viewed, we now have an alphabetical sorting function. So if you click alphabetical here and then hit save, well, first let's look actually at the reports, and we can see that they are clearly not alphabetically ordered. If we take a look at them, and then we hit save, we can see that all of the reports now are in alphabetical order under each of the categories. Of course, it's within each subcategory or category rather than across all categories. But within a category or subcategory, it should be completely alphabetically ordered. And if we customize again and go back to by display order, we'll notice that it goes back to its original ordering. Also, keep in mind that this only applies to the data views web part. It would not apply, say, to the views web part or the manage views web part. It would only apply to this specific web part. Another customization method that we've added to data views ordering is actually available under manage views and allows you to specify an arbitrary ordering of reports and charts actually. So it will allow you to set any order you like in order to present a more coherent view to either yourself or to other users. And so in order to get to this, you'll need to go to Manage Views, which you can get to through Data Views. And then you'll notice a new option has appeared, Reorder Reports and Charts. So if we click that, we'll notice a new dialog in which we'll see the categories which are present. Now note that some of them will not show up here because this is only for reordering reports and charts. So for example, even though we have assays, nothing will show up over here. This is only for reordering reports and charts currently. But if we click reports, we can see many reports that are here. And to reorder them, it works like the manage categories feature, if you're familiar with that feature. And you just drag and drop, and it will appear in a new location. So if we drag and drop CD4 plus levels per participant, and then hit done, we'll see it refresh, and note that under reports here, CD4 plus levels per participant has now moved down in the ordering. And this will be reflected in several places actually. It's not only in manage views, but if we go back and take a look at data views, we can see that it is moved down here, and also in views. We can see that it is moved down here as well. So it's reflected in many places actually. And if we go back to that same dialog under Manage Views and go to Reorder Reports and Charts, you can do this as much as you like, or if you don't have to do anything. If you hit done, nothing will change. Also, and it may not, a little hidden tip here, it may not be easy to see at first, you can also select the Reports and Charts header and sort by ascending or descending. So you can get some of that same feature that I was demonstrating earlier of alphabetization within a particular category or subcategory. So if you hit descending like this and hit done, you'll notice that now it's in reverse alphabetical order. It is presented in reverse alphabetical ordering.